Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope I was having a great day. I am so excited. I've been waiting over 2 months for this to come from Sweden. Thanks, Linda. Look, I got it. I'm so happy. I started crying when I went to the post office. I was so excited. It was on a boat and I thought it was lost, and it was sent 2 months ago, and I guess what was happening during the pandemic, that the boats weren't able to get into port to drop off the mail. So that's why it was taking so long. But it's here! Yay! Made it to Canada! So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Is always appreciated. And make sure that you hit the bell so you don't miss out on all the fun. And make sure that you subscribe. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Alright, so I have an unboxing from Linda. I'll leave her channel below. She's a lady in Sweden. She does home vlogs, gardening, luxury, everything in between, and her family is really cool. So alright, so I bought this off of her, like I said, a couple months ago, and it finally came. So I was praying that it would come because you cannot get this anymore, and it's in like excellent condition, and you can't. The ones that you see on Fashion File and Yogi's Closet and the pre-love sites, they're pretty worn, basically. And I've been looking for a I Love LV purse to match it, but I'm not having any luck. So what I might do is I might either get a Fendi Monster bag to match my Monster bag charms, or get another style of Fendi bags and use my Monster charms. So I don't really want to get a peekaboo because I sold my peekaboo and I didn't really like the way that you have to you know, pull one in, pull one out. I didn't really care for that, and the peekaboo that I sold was the large size, so that was pretty, you know, pretty big. All right, so let's go ahead and stop rambling and get going here. All right, so here's my blade. All right. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, nothing else. All right, she wrapped it really nice. Look at that with the little heart. And the fuchsia and silver. That's really pretty. All right, let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Oh, I never thought I would see this again. It's just a small thing, but I've been wanting one for so many years. Oh, I'm gonna start crying again. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. This is in like pristine condition. And the chain, and inside, wow. That's unbelievable. Yeah, nothing's faded. Wow, this is really nice. It's worth the wait, but like I said, I thought that I would never see it. And she gave me such an excellent price on it. I really appreciate that. All right, let's get it unclose on this one. Wow. Look at that. That's a masterpiece. All right, I'm trying to find a bag to match it, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not having much luck. Because most this pattern here, most of the stuff I'm finding it's all faded or ripped or torn or, yeah, scratched up, you name it. So, yeah, this is really nice. Well, thanks, Linda. I'll go ahead and tag you below so you make sure that you see that I did get your LV pouch, key clay. Yeah, it's really nice. Thanks again. I really appreciate it. All right, that's my unboxing for today. And if you guys do see any, it will have like, it will say like I heart LV. If you see anything that's in really super good condition, send me a DM or follow me on Instagram and let me know and I can go check it out. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. And today is a great day. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.